Philosophy is one of the subjects, the study of which is fundamental for further education. It helps to track the development of science and learn more about various intellectual ideas. In addition, by following the train of thought of philosophers, you can learn a lot about the science of the past and draw conclusions useful in our time. Thus, for example, one of the most famous and influential philosophers, Socrates, introduced the dialectical method into use. In my opinion, this is an interesting and valuable approach to solving complex ethical and philosophical problems. Guiding questions can be compelling in finding the truth. Another interesting philosopher whose ideas have become crucial to modern science is Plato. For example, it is generally accepted that he is one of the founders of the idealistic trend in world philosophy. In other words, he believed that only absolute essences that preserve their being regardless of space and time could be called being. This casts doubt on much of the established knowledge about human functioning. Another Plato's idea is related to the dualism of soul and body, which, in his opinion, are heterogeneous entities. These beliefs are still preserved in many teachings and even religions. Thus, studying philosophy gave me an understanding of the most essential ideas of the most famous philosophers of the past. Undoubtedly, some of them cannot always be applied to modern reality. For thousands of years, science has advanced so much that we understand the structure of the world and people much better. Nevertheless, knowing how scientists of the past thought, one can learn from their positive experiences while avoiding their mistakes. This will allow you to look at the world more broadly and make discoveries in the field of philosophy and other sciences. StudyCorgi can help you make your studies smarter. Visit studycorgi.com for more samples like this, study tips, and writing tools.